Good morning, student. Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to Atmiya Green School, Jhareshwar Bharuch. My name is Swati Sharma and it's class 7th Maths and our chapter is algebraic expressions. Okay. So in this chapter we learn about algebraic expression. Okay. What is algebraic expression? What we learn about it? So we learn algebraic expression. A symbol which has a fixed numerical value is called a constant. A symbol which has a fixed numerical value is called constant. Okay, a symbol which does not have a fixed numerical value is called an variable. Okay, understand? Means it's take various values in different conditions. Okay, understand? So we can say that it's a variable. Okay, an algebraic expression is a combination of constant and variable connected by the four operation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, understand? So an algebraic expression is a combination of constant and variable connected by the four operation plus, minus, multiplication and division. Okay, an equation is a mathematical statement equating two quantities. See, in previous classes we learn about equation also. So what is equation? जब equation हो जाती है, algebraic expression क्या है? हमने बोला algebraic expression is a combination of a constant and variable. Okay, connected by the four operation, mathematical operation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, understand? an equation क्या हुई? जो दो statement को equal करती है. Okay, understand? So remember this thing, what is equation and what is expression. Okay, now when we talk about an expression of algebraic expression, so in this expression there are terms also. The different part of an algebraic expression separated by sign, addition and subtraction is called a term of an expression. Okay, understand? फैक्टर ऑफ अ टर्म. अब नाउ टर्म्स तो हमने देख लिया. नाउ फैक्टर ऑफ अ टर्म, द एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन. इफ देयर आर 5x स्क्वायर, सो 5 इंटू एक्स इज द फैक्टर ऑफ दिस टर्म. ओके, सो वी कैन से दैट 5x and x are the factor of the term. Okay, understand? So और हमने इसे वेन डायग्राम के थ्रू भी बनाना सीखा था. टी डायग्राम देखा था हमने. ओके, सो फैक्टर एक्सप्रेशन जो है वो प्लस और माइनस से होता है, जिससे हमने बोला 5x स्क्वायर माइनस 7xy. अब इसमें दो टर्म है. 5x स्क्वायर इज वन टर्म एंड 7xy इज अनदर टर्म. नाउ व्हाट इज द फैक्टर ऑफ 5x स्क्वायर? सो 5 इंटू एक्स इज द फैक्टर ऑफ 5x स्क्वायर. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? सो in expression there are terms and in terms there are factors. Okay, so remember this thing. The coefficient of a term of an algebraic expression may be numerical or variable factor or both. Okay, so we can say that the coefficient of a term of an algebraic expression may be the numerical or variable factor or both. Okay, what is like and unlike term? The term having the same variable factor are called similar or like term, and like term may differ in their numerical coefficient. Okay, understand? Now what is monomial, binomial and trinomial? An algebraic expression contain only one term is known as monomial. An algebraic expression contain two terms is called binomial, and an algebraic expression contain three terms is called trinomial. And what is polynomial? An expression which contain one or more term is known as polynomial. So all the monomial, binomial, trinomial are a polynomial. Okay, since they have either one or more term in all. Okay, in a polynomial a variable cannot appear in the denominator. पोलिनोमियल्स में वेरिएबल डिनोमिनेटर में नहीं होते हैं. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? सो रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. Now we can learn about degree of a polynomial. A higher power of the variable is in a polynomial is called a degree. ओके जो भी आपका हायर पावर होगा, हाईएस्ट पावर होगा उस पोलिनोमियल का, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड डिग्री ऑफ दैट पोलिनोमियल. पोलिनोमियल having higher power is called degree of the polynomial. Okay, now type of polynomial, there are so many type of polynomial, that is linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. Now what is linear polynomial? A polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Okay, what is quadratic polynomial? A polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. What do you mean by cubic polynomial? A polynomial of degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. Okay, understand. Now finding the value of an algebraic expression. How to find the value of an algebraic expression? So we know that the algebraic expression contain one or more term. Each term further contain one or more variable and some numerical coefficients also. Okay, so if the value of all literal means variables are known in the given expression, then on replacing this variable by their numerical value we can obtain an arithmetic expression which can be evaluated. Okay, अब अगर हमने उसकी वैल्यू रख दी तो हम उसे क्या कर सकते हैं, लिख सकते हैं उसे कैसे, इवेल्युएट करके. ओके, मीन्स उसका आंसर लिख सकते हैं. द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिप्लेसिंग द वेरिएबल बाय न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू इज कॉल्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. So student, when so you understand what is the difference between finding the value of an algebraic expression. Okay, so what we can say, if I replacing the variable by their numerical value is called substitution method. उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, substitution method बोलते हैं. Okay, understand. So it can say substitution method. Algebraic of an addition of an algebraic expression. So if we want to add two algebraic expressions, so we know that an algebraic expression consists of like and unlike terms. Okay, the operation of addition and subtraction on algebraic expression means adding or subtracting like terms. Okay, understand. So the sum or numerical, हमें क्या करना है, अगर like term है, thus we see the sum of several like term is another like term. सो अगर हम से बहुत सारी लाइक टर्म्स को अगर ऐड करते हैं तो वो भी एक लाइक टर्म में ही हमारा आंसर आएगा. ओके, अगर हम 5x एंड 9x को ऐड करेंगे तो वी कैन गिव इट्स गिव 14x टू अस. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. और 9x में से 5x को माइनस करेंगे, सब्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो हमें क्या मिलेगा, 4x. देट आर ऑल्सो अ लाइक टर्म हुज कोफिशिएंट इज सम ऑफ और डिफरेंस ऑफ द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ दोज लाइक टर्म्स. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. सो this way you have to solve the addition and subtraction of any algebraic expression. Okay, addition of algebraic expression with like and unlike term. While adding algebraic expression having like and unlike term, we collect different group of like terms and find the sum. It can be done by two ways. Okay, हम इसको दो तरीके से कर सकते हैं. मीन्स इन द मेथड ईच एक्सप्रेशन इज रिटन इन अ रो. आप हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन में भी लिख सकते हैं. देन द टर्म आर अरेंज इन द ग्रुप ऑफ लाइक टर्म एंड देन एडेड. हम क्या कर सकते हैं, उसे रीअरेंज कर सकते हैं, उनको लाइक टर्म्स को पास पास लिख करके उसे रीअरेंज कर सकते हैं. ओके, एंड द सेकेंड मेथड इज कॉलम मेथड. ओके, आप क्या कर सकते हैं, एक के नीचे दूसरी लाइक टर्म को लिख करके भी आप उसे कर सकते हैं. इन दिस मेथड ईच एक्सप्रेशन इज रिटन इन द separate column such that their like terms are arranged one below the other. Then terms are column wise. Okay, और column wise हम उसे add और subtract कर सकते हैं. Okay, to subtract an algebraic expression from another we change the sign plus to minus and minus to plus of each term of the expression to be subtracted and then add the terms. The difference of two like term is a like term whose coefficient is the difference of numerical coefficient of those like terms. Okay, understand. So student, we have completed these questions. Okay, now finding the value of an expression. So if the value of an variable is given, so we can easily find the value of an expression. If the value is x plus 4 में हमें x की वैल्यू अगर दी हुई है, आपको फाइंड करना है इस एक्सप्रेशन की वैल्यू एंड इट्स गिवन x इज इक्वल टू 2. सो आपको क्या करना है, कुछ नहीं करना है, सब्सटीट्यूशन मेथड यूज़ करना है. मीन्स जहाँ पर भी आपको x दिख रहा है उसकी जगह पर क्या लिख देना है, 2 लिख देना है. Okay, so your answer is 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Okay, this is the substitution method. Okay student, so value of the expression is given, so it is called substitution method. Okay, understand? Now see 12.3, m is equal to 2. It's given m is equal to 2 and find the value of m minus 2. So what you can do, m minus 2 is given to you and is given m is equal to 2. So जो m है, m के प्लेस पर आपको क्या लिख देना है, 2. So 2 minus 2 that is 0. So इस एक्सप्रेशन m minus 2 की वैल्यू क्या है, m is equal to 2 पर 0. Now second 3m minus 5. So m की वैल्यू हमें दी हुई है 2. So you can write m, 3 2s are 6, 6 minus 5. इस एक्सप्रेशन की वैल्यू होगी 1. Understand? Okay. So this way you solve question number first. Okay. Now let's solve fourth one. m square 3m square minus 2m minus 7 और वैल्यू क्या दी हुई है, m इज इक्वल टू 2. सो जहाँ जहाँ m दिख रहा है वहाँ पर आपको 2 रख देना है. ओके, सो 2 का स्क्वायर मीन्स 4 माइनस 2 इंटू 2 4 माइनस 7, 3 4 ज़ा 12 माइनस 4 माइनस 7. अब आपको लाइक साइन दिख रहे हैं, ये भी माइनस साइन के साथ में, ये भी माइनस साइन के साथ में, तो आप पहले माइनस माइनस क्या कर देंगे, प्लस 7 minus 7 minus 4 is minus 11. So your answer is 1. Okay, understand? So this way you solve question number first. Question number 2 भी आपको सेम वे सॉल्व करना है. थर्ड फोर्थ में आपको 2 वेरिएबल्स दिए हुए हैं, दोनों की वैल्यूज़ दी हुई हैं, आपको उसे सॉल्व करना है. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? वैसे ही आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 सॉल्व करना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में भी a इज इक्वल टू 0 एंड b इज इक्वल टू -1. Okay, so you have to solve this question also. Understand? So this way you have to solve the questions in exercise 12.3. Okay student, this chapter is already finished. We have already finished this chapter. Okay, now this is revision time, so that's why I am going fast. Okay, understand? Using algebraic expression, formulas and rule. सो पैरामीटर फॉर्मूला क्या होता है आपको पता है. व्हाट इज़ द पैरामीटर ऑफ इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल? वी नो दैट पैरामीटर ऑफ इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल इज इक्वल टू 3 इंटू लेंथ ऑफ इट्स साइड. बिकॉज ट्रायंगल इज इक्विलेटरल मीन्स ऑल द साइड्स आर हैविंग इक्वल लेंथ, सो वी कैन राइट 3 इंटू लेंथ ऑफ इट्स साइड्स. ओके, सो वी कैन डिनोट 3 इंटू एल. अगर हमने उसे लेंथ ऑफ साइड इज एल ली है तो हम लिखेंगे 3 इंटू एल. Similarly, the parameter of square is 4 into L. Parameter of pentagon is 5 into L. Means अगर रेगुलर पेंटागन की बात कर रहे हैं, रेगुलर मीन्स उसकी ऑल साइड्स इक्वल होंगी. ओके, स्क्वायर की भी ऑल साइड्स इक्वल होती हैं, इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल की भी ऑल साइड्स इक्वल होती हैं. तो हमने बोला पैरामीटर ऑफ इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल इज 3 इंटू लेंथ ऑफ साइड. पैरामीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर इज 4 इंटू लेंथ, 4 इंटू साइड्स, and perimeter of regular pentagon is 5 into side. Okay, now what is area's formula? If we denote the length of square by L, then the area of square is L square. Okay, एंड रेक्टेंगल की बात करते हैं तो वहाँ पर हो जाएगा लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ. Similarly, if B stand for the base and H stand for height of triangle, so area of triangle is 1 by 2 base into height. Okay, once a formula that is the algebraic expression of a given quantity is known, the value of quantity can be computed as required. Okay, for example, for a square of length 3 cm, the parameter of obtained by putting the value L is equal to 3. तो parameter of square क्या होता है 4 into L. L की value आपको given है, so you can put the value of L and write the answer. Okay, what is the value of L? L की value है 3 cm, so you can put this. So 4 into 3, that is 12. Okay, understand? So this way you find the value of any parameter of any square, any equilateral triangle, any rectangle. Okay, understand? Now see some number pattern, more number patterns. See 3, 6, 9, 12. So हमें दिख रहा है 3 का टेबल चल रहा है. So we can write 3 into 6. See, first number is 3, then second is 6 means 3 into 2, third is 9 means 3 into 3, fourth is 12 means 3 into 4. So what is our n number? Nth number is 3 into n. Okay, understand? So this way we find the patterns. Okay, understand? So this way we find the patterns of an algebraic expression. Okay, understand? Now what we learn, first of all, we learn in this chapter the letter which are used to represent number are called literals. Okay, the literal number as well as combination follow all the rules of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of number along with the properties of these operation. So we can say that is a algebraic expression. A symbol having a fixed numerical value is called constant, and the symbol which have takes various numerical value is called a variable. A combination of variable and constant connected by the sign of fundamental operation plus, minus, multiplication and division is called an algebraic expression. Okay, understand? So student, expression made up of terms are added to make an expression. For example, 2x and 7 minus 7 gives expression 2x minus 7. Okay, any expression with one or more term is called a polynomial, and an expression having one term is called monomial, two terms are called binomial and three terms are called trinomial. Terms having the same algebraic factor are called like terms. Okay, whose coefficient is sum of difference of the like terms. Okay, understand? Now in the subtraction we change the sign plus to minus and minus to plus of each term of the expression to be subtracted and then added, and then we add the two expression. Okay, understand? Now the exponent of the term containing the highest power of the variable in the polynomial is called the degree of the polynomial. Linear polynomial is a polynomial of degree 1, quadratic polynomial is a polynomial of degree 2, and cubic polynomial is the polynomial of degree 3. Degree of non-zero constant polynomial is 0. Okay, अगर constant number है तो उसकी वैल्यू क्या है, वो क्या है, पावर क्या है उसकी 0. ओके, so student, today we completed algebraic expression and we have discussed what is algebraic expression and how two algebraic expression are formed. Okay, what is variable, what is constant, okay, what is terms, what is coefficient, what is monomial, binomial and trinomial, and what is polynomial. Okay, how to differentiate between like term and unlike terms. Okay, and only like terms having add and subtracted, but unlike term is not added and subtracted. Okay, understand? So we'll learn these all in today's video. Okay, understand? And if you have any doubt, tell me on WhatsApp. ओके आपको क्या डाउट है आप मुझे व्हाट्सएप पर पूछ सकते हैं, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस चैप्टर इज़ ऑलरेडी completed in our in previously. So I am revise it very shortly. So complete this full chapter in your notebook. Okay, so your revision will be completed. Okay, understand? So this is our chapter number 12, that is algebraic expression. Okay, understand what is algebraic expression, how to algebraic expression formed, and what is variable, what is constant. We see all the things. Okay, understand? So complete this chapter and learn the important terms. Okay, understand? So stay at home and stay safe. Have a good day.